In this video, you'll learn how to track agent work in Paperclip AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to efficiently monitor your agent's activities within the platform. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip AI dashboard, open your web browser and enter the provided URL for the dashboard. Once the page loads, you should see an overview of your account's main features and metrics. Next, locate the section labeled Dashboard on the page. Click on this option to access a detailed view of your account's performance and activities. This screen will provide you with an overview of various metrics related to agent performance. After that, find and click on the option labeled Agents. This selection will redirect you to a dedicated section where you can view all active agents associated with your account. You should see a list of agents along with their corresponding performance indicators. Once this appears, navigate to the section titled Recent Activity. Click on this option to view the latest actions performed by your agents. This will give you insight into their work patterns and productivity levels. Following this, return to the agent section by clicking on it again. This will allow you to refresh the agent list and ensure you are viewing the most up-to-date information about their activities. Now, click on the option labeled Recent Tasks. This area will display a detailed list of tasks that your agents have recently completed or are currently working on. Reviewing this information can help you assess their efficiency and task management. Keep in mind that monitoring agent work effectively requires regular checking of these sections. Additionally, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid delays in loading data. If your file sizes or data reports are large, be patient as they may take longer to load depending on your internet speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.